Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing and review on my XTRALife wireless charger mouse pad. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. Looks like I might be getting an upgrade on my mouse pad here, so let's go ahead and take a look. User manual. USB to Type-C. Oops. Here it is. This is the part where you can put like your iPhone or AirPods on there. And this is gonna be super convenient. I have like two chargers here that I'm always using to charge my phone. So this spot's gonna come in handy right here. And then it also came with this 9-watt charger for it as well. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how it looks. All right guys, here is my RGB mouse pad in action. This is the large one. This is the 31.5 by 11.8. Does use that Type-C charger that it came with, and that part that I dropped was actually the USB plug into the wall, because it does have to be a specific one. It does have to be 9 volts. I really do like this mouse pad. I'm going to show you right here. This button right here controls the RGB lights. It does have 7 different static modes and 2 dynamic modes. I'll go through most of them on here just so you can see how it looks. That stitching on the end is really clean. And then it also has a power button right here in case you just don't want any lights at all. One thing that I will say about the mouse pad is that it's actually water resistant, so I thought that was pretty neat. This wireless charging station that's attached to it is actually very neat. As you can see, it's charging my iPhone there. What's cool is it works with any device that has that capability. And then let me show you the back side of this. This has that non-slip rubber base, so you don't have to worry about it moving around. So that's good to have. Lastly, I've seen that other people say that some of these have odd smells. This one does not. So if you're looking for a nice RGB mat, highly recommend this one.